You ever scroll through your feed and see an ad that actually makes you stop? Yeah, me too. The thing is, most people think ads are just about selling stuff, but the real ones, the ones that actually convert, they're about connection. Today, I want to show you how to use ads to get real sales, not just clicks. I'll walk you through the mindset, the method, and the momentum that turns a few dollars in ad spend into a full-blown sales machine. Let's say you've got a digital product, a course, an eBook, a template pack, whatever, and you believe in it. You know it helps people, but you're stuck on that question. How do I get strangers to trust me enough to buy it? That's where ads come in. But here's the truth that most marketers never tell you. Ads don't create trust, they amplify it. People get obsessed with cold traffic, throwing ads at total strangers, but your best conversions? They come from warm audiences. People who already saw your content, visited your page, or watched your video halfway through. Ads are just gentle reminders like saying, hey, remember that thing you liked? It's still here. Retargeting isn't annoying. It's familiar. It feels safe. Your ad has one job. Stop the scroll and make them curious. That's it. Not sell, not explain. Just spark curiosity. People don't buy because they understand your product. They buy because they want to understand themselves through it. So your ad shouldn't say what your product is. It should show why it matters to them. Once they click, that curiosity needs somewhere solid to land, your sales page. Here's the thing, 80% of your sales come from how well your landing page continues the conversation your ad started. Same energy, same vibe. If your ad feels like a Tesla, but your landing page feels like a used car lot, they bounce. Consistency sells. Now, here's where most people panic. They think ads are gambling. They're not. Ads are just math with emotions attached. Every number tells you something. Your click-through rate tells you if your hook worked. Your conversion rate tells you if your offer's clear. Your cost per click tells you if you're aiming at the wrong audience. You're not losing money on ads. You're buying data. And every winning ad starts as an ugly one. The pros don't guess. They test. They test headlines, visuals, calls to action. 1% better here, 1% better there. That's how you turn $10 a day into $1,000 a week. You don't need a big budget. You need big patience. But the real secret, it's story. Your ad is a micro story, a 15-second journey from problem to possibility. You show them the struggle, hint at the solution, and invite them to click to learn the rest. When you build your ad like a movie trailer instead of a billboard, people lean in. Here's the system I live by. First, create content that builds attention. Second, run ads that amplify your best content. Third, retarget the people who engage. And fourth, offer something that solves a real problem. That's it. Simple, repeatable, powerful. Every sale you make through ads isn't just a transaction. It's proof that trust can scale. You don't have to manipulate people. You just need to remind them who they want to become. So next time you see an ad and think, I could never do that, remember, you can. Because the best ads, they're not about products. They're about people. You don't need millions of followers. You just need one good message shown to the right person at the right time.